everybody, it's Diana, and today I thought I would do a house tour for you guys. So, I'm a working mom, I have 2 kids, and then my stepdaughter comes here in the summer, so she's not here now because it's end of January. But anyways, I wanted to show you where I live. This is basically what you can get in a semi-okay neighborhood for $125,000 in St. Paul, Minnesota. So let's go on our trip. So back here is the side door that goes into our kitchen that I am facing right now. And this is kind of the main entrance that we all use, even though there is a front door that I'll show you eventually. But yeah. Alright, and then behind me, there's this extra door that goes into a bedroom, which we'll get there. And then this is our basement door. And then again, in front of me is the kitchen. So here we go. Alright, so here's that door I was standing by before. We got a little window here. We keep our shoes, kind of coats. There's a little cubby thing for like hats and mittens. And we're going to go starting in the basement. So here we go. I've turned all the lights on, but it is kind of dark in my house nonetheless. We got some shelving here. I'm going to walk down the stairs. We'll start on the right hand side. So we've got my favorite thing, the deep freeze. I've got all my laundry, some paint. This is some of my artwork stuff, a TV that is usable, but we just aren't using it right now. Some of Azra's storage things, a little shelf, window. Love that 70s curtain. We've got our electrical shit, sink. This little table is kind of attached to it, dehumidifier. These are actually a gas-powered dryer, and then a washer. There's a shower down here, which we never use. Kind of creepy to be in the basement to do it. Underneath the stairs where we came down, there's a bunch of storage. Little exercise machine, a table. Brian's kind of working on a Legend of Zelda Link puzzle right now. Slow moving since it's all like the same color. And we'll come back here. So again, this is kind of to the side of the stairs. This is like all of Brian's tools. He likes to be crafty. I don't know, make stuff. He doesn't really keep it very organized, but there it is. Water heater. Come back this way. Sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy. And then over here we've got, this is Azra's kind of computer all set up. Then this is my setup. So I've got the 2 screens. There's my computer I helped make. A bunch of my little baubles and whiz bangs. If you come back here, this is kind of all my makeup stuff. My empties. This thing from IKEA holds most of my makeup, and then my palettes. Come over here, we got a little couch that we had cats when we had this couch and they ruined it, but it's usable still. Got some guitars, keyboard. There's the stairs we came down. Over here we've got Brian's drums and amps. Finn's drums. This is random stuff in it. Some more guitars. Another amp. Chairs. Another guitar. And again, my station. And then we have a lot of like dry goods storage. Kind of some random stuff. And then there's kind of this creepy little closet. Of course, we don't have a finished basement, but I feel like we could finish this. I'd probably keep the storage unit as is, and then maybe like finish off, you know, this half of the basement, and then we could have like a little living room and a little bedroom. And then again, we got some Christmas stuff, and there's Brian's little corner. So we're gonna go back upstairs, and then you can see the kitchen. So again, there's like our main door. And then this is my teeny tiny kitchen. Now, it serves its purpose. It's just not very large. As you can see, there's almost no counter space at all, even if we didn't have stuff on it. I've got a little gas oven and stove. And then over here we got microwave. As you can see, I have no dishwasher. I also have no disposal, so that's fun. So that's why we have some racks. We got snacks here. These are like kitchen tools and pots and pans. Fruit, silverware, spices, Tupperware, lids. Up here we've got like cups and dry goods, baking stuff, plates, kind of like sugar and stuff and baby things, drink mixers. Then we got like bread, oatmeal, sugar, all of our Renaissance Fair cups, some stuff. And this little guy is the garbage, some other stuff. Room, we got pretty decent fridge, freezer, a Keurig we never use. And then over here would normally be, I think, where people would have like a little table or a breakfast nook or put more shelving eventually or something. And this is kind of Brian's area. So he's got, you know, Lego things. It's his giant computer. It's got this water cooling system. He made this. You can put different colors. He's done like blue, green, purple. Right now is red. Light up keyboard. It does change colors. Pretty cool. And then we do have like a VR system. So we keep the little gate up so that the little man over there cannot get in. But this is our living room. It's pretty modest. I'm watching YouTube cleanups right now, but I've got DVDs, some games. We got our Wii U, PS4, a bunch of kids stuff. The little one is Kit, the big one is Finn, watching their tablets. Then this is like the official front door, which almost we never use, my beautiful Kramer. And then in here we've got like our coats and pillow backup, some shoes, vacuum closet. It's handy. Come back around this way. So this door will go up to our room, but we'll do that last. These are all of our like family picture wall. Every year we do that. This is our other little tiny hallway, so we're going to go in the bathroom in a minute, but that is Kit/Yazra's room, a little closet, and then Finn's room. So in the closet, we've got more video games and video game stuff. We have like pretty much everything you could ever want. Legos, candle stuff, games, all sorts of goodies, towels. And then in Finn's room, it's pretty big. We got the little baby bed in here because eventually, and we have tried a few nights, the boys will be ending up sharing a room, but the baby's not really into it right now. Finn's bed, I think we got it from IKEA. Hi, buddy. Michael Jackson. Then I painted those. That little guy. We love Halloween here. We got toys, weapons. Painted the Minion. Big Bird. We got lots of books. Little TV. And then Finn's closet with lots of toy overflow. And then we're going to head to the bathroom. So our bathroom is green. We've redone pretty much everything in the bathroom, from obviously the walls to the floors to the vanity, eco-friendly toilet, mirror thing. So under here I just keep a lot of, you know, random stuff that's mine. This is my favorite thing. We have the chute that sends the laundry to the basement. Up here, just kind of mostly my stuff. Face creams, some kid medicine, deodorants, perfume. The only one in here is mine. That one, this one, right here. That's fine. Those are Brian's. And then this is the only thing we haven't changed, which is the tub and shower combo, which is kind of gross. This stuff at the bottom was those little stickies so you don't fall, and they've peeled up, and I just haven't gotten around to trying to clean them up yet, but it is like porcelain tub. And then we put in like the really high big shower head because Brian's very tall. And then last is Kit/Azra's room. So we got games in here, another little shelf, yeah. Gaming systems, another TV. This used to be our bed, but now it's kind of the guest bed, Azra's bed, or if we need to sleep with the baby, there he is. Yeah, that's your bed with all your toys. And then we've got another little closet, just kind of random stuff in here. Now we're going to go upstairs to my room. Come on, guys, let's get out of here. Come on, buddy. It's hard corralling two little men. Alright, there's Finn. Say hi, Finn.
Hi.
So from the living room, we're going to finally go up to my room. Hello. So I have this beautiful orange shade carpet. Go, buddy, go. He's going to crawl up the steps with us. And then this little guy is like attic space that we use for storage, and it used to go all the way back, but we had insulation blown in, so it's just like this front part. So there's the stairs we came up. I got some little tchotchkes. And then this is like the official closet up here. Mostly it's Brian's stuff, but it's nice to have a little extra storage. And then we've got, this was more attic space. But when they did the insulation, they kind of blocked it off. Lightsabers, this is kind of my like work stuff, dresses, Brian's pants. I haven't done the laundry away yet. I've got a lot of my Marvel, all my Star Wars and Game of Thrones pops. I got this stuff. This is our bed. I never make it. Over here we got jewelry, Boba Fett, some mangas, movies, more movies, games. We got my dresser. The little ones are for Brian. Big TV. This actually is a working heat-filled electric fireplace. Yeah, buddy. Okay, I got my big stereo. Another thing over here with the more pops. Has some work clothes in it. And then we've got like tons of books, because I love books. And then I got my bookshelf here, chock full of books. Some more pops. So that's kind of where we came up. We'll flip it around, and that's my room. Alright everybody, so that's my house. I hope you liked it. Yeah, I'm not, the most anal cleaner. I also don't have the nicest things, but I feel like we do what we can and we enjoy what we can, be it books, movies, videos, and I just let my kids be kids and we live in a house. Hopefully, we've been here almost 4 years. Hopefully, we'll be here for a long time to come. So, alright guys, have a great day. Subscribe, continue watching, and look for more videos. Alright, bye.